Singing. More than a hobby, it's a workout for your mouth and throat muscles. Did you know it's not just about belting out your favorite tunes, but also about pronouncing diverse sounds, particularly vowels? Intriguing, isn't it? Here's more. Some research suggests that focused singing training could help reduce snoring. That's right, less sawing logs, more sweet dreams. So next time you sing, remember it's not just about the lyrics. Concentrate on repeating and forcefully pronouncing individual sounds. Who knew singing could be a solution to a peaceful night's sleep? But hey, if you're still tossing and turning, maybe it's your pillow. Find New Pillow by clicking the link in our bio.